So first of all, we're gonna go to the app Picsart, and this is the app that we're gonna use to edit our photo. Then you're gonna wanna click the plus button at the bottom and import your picture. So I just found this picture of this girl at the beach that I found at Pinterest. Then you're gonna want to scroll down at the bottom until you see the add photo icon, and you're gonna want to import your SpongeBob sky background. So I just got this one from Pinterest as well. Of course, this is completely customizable. It doesn't have to be a SpongeBob sky background. So as you guys can see, I'm just repositioning it to where the sky is. And at the bottom, you're gonna wanna scroll down until you're gonna see opacity control. So you're gonna wanna lower it to about a half so we can see through the background. Then you're gonna wanna go to the eraser tool at the top and start erasing parts except for the sky. I hope that makes sense, but you guys can see what I'm erasing right here. And in this case, if you erase horribly like me, don't worry, because we're just gonna fix that later by clicking on the paintbrush tool and start repairing or repainting the parts that you've accidentally erased. And you can leave the background transparent, or you can also put it all the way up, but I think both is pretty cool. I think it will really make a difference to your photo and add a pop to the sky. And all you have to do now is save that to your camera roll and you're done.